Hi guys, you are watching TechBros English. In this video, I am going to show you how you can create your Apple ID in iPhone 12. Guys, with the help of this method, you can also create your Apple ID in iPhone 11, iPhone 13 and other iPhone mobiles. So first of all, open setting. Now open sign into your iPhone. Now select don't have an Apple ID. Select create Apple ID. Now enter your name and last name and date of birth. After entering press next. Select don't have an email address. Now select get an iCloud email address. Now enter email ID that you want to create. Now press next. Select create email address. Now enter password for this email ID. After enter password, press next. Now enter your mobile number. Press next. Now here it shows you terms and conditions. Press agree. Now guys, my Apple ID is created and now it's login in my iPhone 12. Now if you open App Store, and here you see your ID is also login in App Store. Now if you want to download applications from App Store, you can download with the help of this email ID. Guys, with the help of this method, you can also create your Apple ID in any iPhone. If you have any question, please comment, like, share and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.